How Amber Heard supposedly feels regarding rumors that Johnny Depp is dating his lawyer. Even though the widely publicized defamation case involving Johnny Depp and Amber Heard is over, both actors continue to make headlines for various reasons. The revelation that Depp is dating his lawyer this week was a really interesting piece of information. Joel Rich, his attorney from his 2020 libel case, is the new woman in his life instead of Camille Vasquez, who was once said to be dating the celebrity. One can't help but wonder how Heard is feeling in the midst of this rumored connection, and a recent story purports to have details on that. Amber Heard was found guilty on 3 counts of defamation at the end of the defamation trial and was ordered to pay millions of dollars to her ex-husband. Heard later made the decision to appeal, and she is currently awaiting the result, along with the majority of the general public. Given these circumstances, it appears that Heard isn't really curious about who the Pirates of the Caribbean actor is dating right now. According to a source who spoke to ET specifically, she doesn't care. When she was chosen to star in the 2011 dramedy The Rum Diary, the Aquaman actress first got to know Johnny Depp back in 2009. The two actors started dating the year the movie came out, and they married in a civil ceremony in 2015. Their marriage did not go easily, as evidenced by their court battles over the previous few years, and they ultimately divorced in 2017. Given all of that, it would not come as a huge surprise to some to learn that the actress isn't currently worried about Depp's romantic life. Much has been reported about Amber Heard's financial status since the trial finished in June. Her attorney claimed shortly after the verdict that she couldn't afford to pay the $8.3 million judgment. However, some people did pay attention when Heard was spotted boarding a private plane around that time. Heard appealed the decision by the end of July and drastically changed her legal approach by appointing fresh counsel. Their court fights during the preceding few years showed that their marriage did not go smoothly, and in the end, they divorced in 2017. Given all of that, some people might not be overly surprised to find that the actress isn't currently concerned about Depp's dating life. Since the trial concluded in June, a lot has been written about Amber Heard's financial situation. Shortly after the verdict, her attorney asserted that she was unable to pay the $8.3 million penalty. However, when Heard was photographed boarding a private plane around that time, some people did pay notice. By the end of July, Heard filed an appeal and fundamentally altered her legal strategy by appointing new lawyers.